everybody. We're going to talk Norwex today, and we're going to talk holiday gifts, and we're going to talk why I love it, why I love Norwex. And we're just going to get started. I have to bring my daughter to gymnastics in 15 minutes. So this is definitely going to be shorter than 15 minutes. So the short reasons why I love Norwex. Number one, it's like the cleaning products with Norwex are like the Tesla of cleaning products. It's innovative, it's environmentally friendly, it's smart, it's super well made. And I enjoy the system of keeping my cleaning supplies, which are well-made quality items. I like maintaining them. I like keeping them in a nice place and keeping them stored nicely and washing them every week in the appropriate detergent for them. And if you're not familiar with Norwex, Norwex is made with microfiber, which is very, very tightly woven fibers that pick up, when maintained properly, 99.9% of germs, bacteria, viruses off your counter mechanically. These products do not kill bacteria and kill viruses and whatever else. It removes the contaminants with the tightness of the weave of the microfiber. And I will provide some links to that science in this post, wherever I'm going to put it, YouTube or through my email, so you guys can read more on that. But I've been using microfiber from Norwex for 4 years now, and I haven't stopped. I love it. So I use the cloths, I use the mops, I use the facial pads, I use the body cloths. There's so many different items, and I'm going to share my favorites with you today. So here we go. All right, so here we are. So this is the basic package. This guy right here, I'm not sure if you could see my mouse, but the one with the animal print is the window cloth, and this one behind here is the Envirocloth, which is the cleaning cloth. And the way that you use this is you would get it wet, and you can wipe down any surface you would like. And then you can follow it up with the polishing cloth, which is the one with the owls on it, which you just use water for all of the products, and it cleans it really well and very clearly without streaks. So I use both of these cloths on my windows and on my mirrors. I've cleaned with the Envirocloth, and then I polish it up with the polishing cloth, and you get the best clean you can ever get, even better than chemicals, because there's really no streaks. You can see for both these cloths, it's $37.99. Most of the products I'm going to share with you today are actually on sale for the Black Friday, for the November time. So just know that. And so I'm going to head on to the next thing. This is just, a lot of these are collections. If you buy these products individually, it costs more. So consider that as you are shopping. Let's see, next one. Okay, here's another collection. This is a different color, not quite as cute, but let's see, the gray is the Envirocloth, the purple is the window cloth, and this package comes with the laundry detergent, which I highly recommend that you buy the Norwex laundry detergent, and that's especially designed to really clean these cloths, since you're going to be using them so much. So use that Norwex laundry detergent with the Norwex products. You guys know I'm a big fan of Truly Free, the laundry subscription service from Truly Free. I actually use that because it's much more affordable for my large family on all of the other laundry that we use. But for my Norwex cloth, since it's a microfiber specific cloth, and I want to pull all those impurities out that I'm cleaning up, and use the laundry detergent for that. So I do use that. This round thing here is the cleaning paste. That's pretty awesome too. That just adds some oomph to your Envirocloth cleaning as you're cleaning and just hit something stubborn and you want a little scrub factor. You use this paste. This is a really excellent deal. $115 for all of these awesome products, which you basically almost can clean your whole house with. I'll get to the mop in a little bit. That's a must-have as well. But this dusting mitt is actually amazing on like vertical blinds and anything you really need to dust. Bonus if you get two, because you can double hand it and really get everything cleaner much faster. So this dusting mitt attracts dust. It is awesome. It can be, dusting is horrible because sometimes you just feel like you're pushing dust around. But the dusting mitt really does help get all of that dust off. So, all right, next product. Here we go. Next collection. This is the same product, but with the liquid detergent, which I have never used, but I do hear good things about it from other people who love Norwex, but I am an old school kind of gal. I like the powder. I just feel like it is something about adding powder to water and then cleaning makes you feel like you're really getting it clean. Or do you think that just fail? There we go. Next one. Okay, so here's your mop. Okay, so I love the mop. It's kind of nuts to think of buying a $136 mop. And of course, with all these products, which I hate it, but you have to pay for shipping and tax. So, you know, bump it up just a bit. It is going to be a bit more expensive than what you see. But yeah, the mop's definitely a splurge. I love my mop. When I became a consultant with Norwex, it came with my consultant kit. So if you are interested in doing, or if Norwex really piques your interest and you're interested in possibly becoming a consultant, I wouldn't buy your mop or basically any of these products because a lot of it comes with your consultant kit if you do become a consultant. I honestly have never had someone, I've just always just done this on my own. I don't have a team. I don't build a team. I just love these products. So I offer them as a really great non-toxic option for cleaning, since many people that read my story and follow my story know I have cancer and I eliminate all chemicals in my house as much as, you know, possible, which is basically all chemicals. So I do not mop my floors with chemicals. I use this mop. So I love it. The microfiber portion where you would sweep, it's more of like the dusting factor is the bottom, like beige color one. There are other colors you can get this mop in, like gray, and then you can get the traditional more the blue and the blue and yellow sort of theme. But yeah, the mop's awesome. But one thing, if you have kids and your kids have wet sippy cups and things, wetness that gets on the floor, this microfiber pad on the bottom just gets stuck on any liquid that's on your floor. So what I do is use this guy, the tile mop pad. So if you're going to piece together a mop system and you have young children or pets that just splash random, wet puddles on the floor, and you're going to run over it with your mop, this tile mop pad will go right over it and not lose any of the crumbs it's picked up, and it's awesome. So I highly recommend the tile mop pad. You can actually just piece that together if you want, or you can buy it in addition. Sometimes it is nice to have the extra microfiber pad, which is this guy on the bottom. The one on the top here, going back to the mop system, is your wet mop. So that's what you would get wet, and you just mop your floor. I do it with hot water. Sometimes I'll add some vinegar into my sink with some hot water and just get it wet, you know, as I go, because my house is, I have pretty lots of hardwoods on my bottom floor. And of course, this is your this is the mop head. And then this guy, this rubber brush on the top, this blue, is a must-have as well. That's why it comes with the system. It is the brush that you brush the pad off with into your trash after you sweep your floors. So I mean, since we've had our dog, I was so grateful for that pad or that brush, because I just brushed the dog hair right into my trash can, and I couldn't live without it. I love my mop. It's probably my favorite Norwex item. If I had to pick one, it's my mop. The handle here is rotates 360 degrees, so you can get all around and up and down, and it expands, so you can actually tighten the mop head and put the duster, the Envirocloth, what's it called? The dusting portion, dust pad, and you can dust your, your ceiling fans. You can attach I'll show you in a second, this wand, the dusting wand, I think it's called. You can attach it to your mop head and dust anything up high. You can bend it and it dusts everything. So it's great. This package is crazy. It's $281.99, but it contains everything I talked about just now, except for the tile pad, the tile mop pad, which I love. You guys, I just told you about that. And you get the dryer balls. You can put essential oils on them or whatever. I personally, I've never used the dryer balls. I use the, from Truly Free, I use the Dryer Angels because they have their own essential oils in there. But the dryer balls, I've never tried them. They might be awesome. So anyway, this package has everything I just talked about and would get you set with this entire journey. I do believe this is the package minus the dryer balls that is part of the consultant package if you're interested in that. Let's see here. Okay, this is my new favorite item. It is a mitt, just like the dusting mitt, but it's with a more abrasive material, and you can clean your veggie, your carrots when you're juicing, your apples, your celery, everything. It just scrubs all of that dirt and grime off. I mean, you really get a good clean on your veggies, and then you just squeeze it out. One thing I didn't tell you is all Norwex microfiber is woven with backlock silver. So some of the strands of the microfiber are woven with silver, and that helps kill bacteria and disgusting things that are in whatever you're cleaning. And so it self-purifies itself. It does not disinfect what you're wiping, but it does help keep the cloth from getting disgusting and stinky and smelly, and for longer. So I can go about 3 days with my cloths not stinking because they're purifying themselves with that silver that's woven within the cloth, within the microfiber. So it goes for all of the microfiber that Norwex makes their products with. This comes in a couple colors. I only have the green and the red. I think it comes in green and white as well. Those are awesome. I love these. Be a perfect Christmas present for anybody that's living a healthy lifestyle. I'm going to move a little faster because I do have to get my daughter to gymnastics. Okay, this is the same thing, except it's a cloth. It's pretty big, about maybe like 12 by 12. And it's great. I do like the mitt better because you have to keep it. It gets kind of awkward. The mitt, it's like seamless. You can really clean tons of veggies really fast and just scrub them. I love this. I love everything, but this bottle brush is great. It's super long. It comes with a couple of attachments, and it comes with one of these Envirosleeves. So if you have really stubborn canteen, like clean canteens that you keep your water in, the stainless steel, it can get really far down in there and really scrubs them with that microfiber Envirosleeve cloth that goes on the end. And I would also recommend getting two, so you can wash one and then have one ready. But I love this bottle brush. I've had mine for 4 years. I just throw it in the dishwasher when I'm done because it's made of silicone and rubber or something. The handle, the wand is more plasticky, but the bottom part is silicone. I love it. I really love that brush. Okay, I don't have this, but I just think it's pretty neat looking. I love little stackable in place of, I see you, Bells. I'm almost done. Okay. So just an idea if you're looking for something to just nicely stack any sort of countercloths in. I think this is really great. This is the makeup removal cloth set. I use this all the time to take off my makeup. I have these, which you can use probably for a couple of days. These last longer. The next thing I really love too, these are cute, these little facial pads. They're just the microfiber cloth that you just take your makeup off, and they don't leave my skin really dry, which is crazy. You think they would. And then you just can put them in this little bag and wash them, or you can store them in that little bag. I actually have 2 sets. I just talked about it on my Instagram today. If you look on my Instagram stories, I have a lot of the uses of Norwex, the similar things I've talked about today. And you can check it out there too. Okay. Optic cloth. I use this to clean my glasses. As you know, I'm a glasses wearer. I love it because it's really big and you don't have to clean your glasses and then get your wrist, you have to keep, you don't have to pay attention to keeping your fingers on the cloth because it's so much cloth. So I love these things. I wash them maybe once a month. And it just makes your glasses crystal clear. So I highly recommend that one. It comes in a lot of colors. Okay, these my kids love. There's a couple of them. There's the kitten, there's the mermaid, there is the unicorn, and they are just little cloths with microfiber that you just go like this after your kids wash their hands, and it dries them. So my kids love those. It's just a fun, cute gift to have in your bathroom. All right. I highly recommend with all of these products buying the Norwex laundry detergent and powder or in liquid to make sure you keep everything the way it's supposed to be. One bag of laundry detergent kind of lasts me a year. The 2-pound bag, maybe longer, because I only use it for my microfiber cloths. So there's also, for an extra boost, I haven't tried this yet, but I think I want to, because your cloths can get stinky after a year or two of use. So I'm gonna buy this and try it next time I put an order in. It's just the laundry booster to get a little extra clean. I wash all my Norwex cloths once a week on hot, and then I rinse twice. So that's sort of my system. And then I dry on high heat. But yeah, so that is my Norwex story, and those are the products I love, and I hope you love them too. And I need to get going to get my daughter to gymnastics. And so happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys enjoy these products. And as always, you can reach out to me, ask me any questions about Norwex products, Courtney at anticancermom.com. That's Courtney without a U. And CORTNEY. I think I do have the U email as well, just in case. But yeah, so talk to you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, my Norwex website is going to be attached to the bottom of this post or in the description of this video. I'm dating myself. Bye.